Standing tall for thousands of years, the pyramids have always been a source of fascination and mystery. These colossal structures, the most iconic of which are the pyramids of Giza, have been a testament to the brilliance of ancient civilizations. Built around 2560 BCE, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the largest stone structure of its kind and the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world. The pyramids have been shrouded in mystery with countless theories surrounding their construction and purpose. Yet, despite centuries of study and exploration, we've only managed to scratch the surface of understanding these grand structures. Inside the pyramids are intricate chambers and corridors, the purpose of many still unknown to us. They are a labyrinth of secrets waiting to be discovered. Just recently, a new theory has emerged, proposing that the secret to the pyramid's construction lies in water channels used to transport massive stone blocks. This theory, known as the water shaft hypothesis, suggests that the ancient Egyptians built a complex system of waterways to move these immense blocks, which would otherwise be impossible to transport. This theory has reignited interest and curiosity in these ancient marvels. Located inside the labyrinthine corridors of the pyramids, the function of these supposed water shafts is a tantalizing enigma. They could have been built to ease the transportation of heavy material, or perhaps they have other unknown purposes. The emergence of this theory was made possible by advanced scanning technologies, part a cross-continental initiative called Scan Pyramids. But let's pause for a moment and consider the implications of this theory. Here we are in the 21st century, still unearthing secrets from structures built over 4,000 years ago. It's a humbling reminder of the depth of human history and the enduring mysteries of our past. But what if I told you? Modern technology, specifically artificial intelligence, might hold the key to unlocking these ancient secrets. From the far reaches of cyberspace to the sun-baked ruins of Egypt, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our perception of history. Picture a reality where antiquated structures are reinterpreted through the prism of high-tech tools, where the enigmas of bygone epochs are decoded with a mere click. This is the reality we are entering, thanks to the union of AI and archaeology. Take, for example, the Athena Stone project. In this venture, an AI bot named Athena was used to decipher ancient texts etched on stones, some of which had been untouched for centuries. This may seem extraordinary, and indeed the translations uncovered brought to light both fascinating and rich histories. But they also provided an unprecedented chance to study these historical artifacts, imparting us with fresh insights into their significance. But the influence of AI in archaeology is not confined to text translations alone. AI can sift through and make sense of information in ways previously inconceivable, paving the way for novel theories and revelations. Take, for instance, the mysterious Mayan civilization and their intricate temples. Scientists were able to map out the dense jungles of Guatemala, revealing the ancient city of Tikal beneath the canopy. This discovery was facilitated by Maya LIDAR, a collaborative initiative that harnesses remote sensing technology to explore ancient Mayan structures. The technology employed here is a form of AI known as light detection and ranging. This technique generates detailed three-dimensional representations of the Earth's surface using laser pulses. These pulses can penetrate dense vegetation and are easily recorded, making them ideal for uncovering hidden structures within the jungles. So AI is not merely illuminating our past, it's propelling us into unexplored regions of human chronicles. It's making it feasible to pose and respond to inquiries we've never even contemplated before. So, exactly how might AI assist us in decoding the secrets of the ancient civilizations? Imagine a machine capable of peering into the stone heart of the pyramids, unveiling the concealed chambers and passages. Now, this notion is no longer a sci-fi fantasy, but a tangible reality, largely attributed to the rise of artificial intelligence and advanced scanning technologies. These innovative tools are drastically reshaping the field of pyramid exploration. One of the major game changers in this domain is muon radiography. This advanced scanning technology leverages the potential of subatomic particles known as muons. These entities, although similar to electrons, possess a larger mass, enabling them to comfortably pass through solid structures. By strategically placing muon detectors in diverse locations and angles within the pyramid, researchers can identify and differentiate between solid and hollow spaces, consequently creating an exhaustive 3D model of the pyramid's internal layout. This technology has been pivotal in revealing one of the most fascinating secret chambers within the Pyramid of Khufu, Scan Pyramid's Big Void. This unexpected cavity, located above the Grand Gallery, was found thanks to the muons detectors placed around the pyramid, providing yet another testament to the architectural genius of the ancient Egyptian civilization. Artificial intelligence, AI, has also been a crucial driver of innovation in this field. A striking example of this is the application of AI in the groundbreaking Pharaoh's Map project. This AI model was trained to predict the possible locations of hidden chambers within the pyramids, using data from previous successful explorations. This predictive model has provided a unique lens for examining these ancient architectural marvels, fostering a fresh understanding of the pyramid's internal structure and concealed chambers. These discoveries reveal that the breakthroughs are more than merely unveiling hidden passages or predicting pyramid construction. They also suggest the probable existence of other undiscovered chambers. As the threshold of a new era in the field of archaeology, one thing is clear: the pyramids continue to guard numerous secrets, and artificial intelligence, along with advanced scanning methodologies, might hold the key to deciphering them. The stone heart of the pyramids is now within our reach, and with every beat, it unveils a fresh chapter in the annals of human history. As we conclude our journey today at AI Future Hub, remember that you've stepped into the future where artificial intelligence shapes possibilities. Hope you've benefited from our cutting-edge content. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Show your support by hitting that like button. Share our videos and spread the future. Don't miss your chance to be with us again on this journey by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Until next time, keep exploring the future with us.